told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes.
Hello everyone and welcome back to JustKetoUk. In today's video I'm not going to cook, I'm going to show you Verona.
As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking.
And I really love Verona because it's a peaceful city. So I really love. So if you're looking for somewhere to go for holiday, come here in Verona.
This way, I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Eccolo! Oh, he's there! Down there, Dante! How are you today, this morning? How are you this morning? You are doing well? Is that? Inti! Hello! Beautiful, I love this statue.
I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said.
This is Via Massini.
Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away,
Dove va?
as you fade away.
Dove sta?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me.
Oh god, I feel like regenerate. Yeah, this is very good in keto diet because we really need vitamin D, and here is for free. So the vitamin D is free here. So I'm feeling so happy. My mood is just changed. Yeah, if you come here and you are in keto diet, you can find a lot of things. You can eat salad, tomatoes, even the restaurants. You can ask for a big bowl of salad, tuna, any type of meat you can eat. And yeah, of course you're going to struggle if you want to eat some bread, keto bread or keto cake. But if you have time, you can make your own cake or your own bread. Because here you can find keto flour, for example, almond flour or coconut flour. So it's not difficult to find. I'm just tired right now, and I'm looking for some place to see if I can find some keto-friendly products. So I'm thinking to go to Despar. How much I love this one, crema di pistachio, but unfortunately it's not keto-friendly. You see? Too much carbohydrate and sugar, so it's not keto-friendly at all.
Questo è di Verona.
Love it. Oh, fondente! Crema spalmabile fondente. Wow. I really love this one also. But it's with sugar. Sugar is the first ingredient.
Ah, non dico i sapori delle, non si lo so quale.
So this is from Bronte.
Sì, non dico i
Can I
sapori,
see?
lo so. Conosco.
Wow. This is just amazing.
Cos'è questa cosa qua?
Yeah, this is fondente. Crema fondente spalmabile.
È la linea.
Yeah. Oh, look. Che meraviglia. This is just beautiful. Novi. 45% di nocciole. Oh, I'm not happy. I need something without sugar. Oh my god, rusk. I love rusk. I hope to do the recipe, keto recipe, and make some rusk with the almond flour. Oh my god, Nutella. Nutella, my love. It's a bit pricey, but I love it. Add a top of rusk, cornflakes. Ah, so delicious. These look like something very healthy, you know, but unfortunately, because of the carbs, I cannot eat it. But it looks like very, very healthy. Not too much sugar, but too much carbs. Le mie colazioni preferite le facevo con queste cose, ecco. Con queste briochine. Very, very nice, delicious. Let's see the juice. You know, I prefer smoothie than juice, because at least in the smoothie you can have some fibers, but the juice just sugar and water, so, and fructose, so it's not that good. So if you have to choose smoothie then rather than juice. Wow. Alright, if you are in keto diet and you are looking for something to drink like vino, you can drink dry wine. Dry wine is really excellent in the keto diet. So make sure to pick dry wine and not wine with sugar. Okay? You know, this is very tricky because they write Coca-Cola zero zuccheri, so it's without sugar, but it's not like that. Because if you're going to read the label properly, you're going to find some sugar, you're going to find some type of sugar, so you have to start to read the label, please. Look here. It looks like very healthy things, isn't it? Amica chips, amica mia. Quelle che si vedono. Oh, so crispy, so delicious. Why you are not keto friendly? Why? I'm crying now, just crying. Most of the things here are not keto friendly. This is what I'm going to say here. But yeah, we're going to find something friendly, keto friendly anyway. You're going to find it. Oh, look, the bread is with focaccia. Italian focaccia bread. Oh God, wow. Oh,
Guarda, ora mangi ora.
oh, 100%, 99%, 90, 85. These are just amazing. Lind, I love Lind. Oh, here we have also Novi. Novi also is very excellent with the chocolate, dark chocolate, 80%. Wow, really keto friendly. Of course, you cannot eat all of this. Just tiny bit is okay. So make sure to read the label all the time. Facci il video, capito? This is really lovely. Anguria. Oh yeah, these are very keto friendly. So you can eat anguria in the. I mean, you can eat melon in keto diet. Look how many type of melon here. I love these fruits. Really. Oh God, look here. Cocomeri, angurie. This is so big. This is how they call it in English. What
Watermelon.
This is watermelon. Look, it's more big than my hands. It's more big than my hands. Really beautiful. Do you see the colors of this watermelon? And other fruits. We can just enjoy the colors of this very beautiful fruits. Look how it's big the apples, banana, keto friendly nuts. You can eat nuts in keto diet. Sorry, you can eat a lot of nuts. They are really rich in properties. Look here, beautiful. Basil is also keto friendly, and oregano. This is oregano, dry oregano. Really keto friendly. Oh my God, the smell is beautiful. I really love this supermarket. Really tidy, really neat, really clean. And the vegetables are so beautiful. Look at the color of these tomatoes. Mushrooms. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is a mix of mushrooms. Look, beautiful. Wow. You can even find already made, already cooked vegetables like this. If you are in rush, or you can buy some of them here in Verona or in Italy. Oh, Macedonia, look here. Coco a pezzi. How much is this? £2. €2, I mean, €2. Yeah. So yeah, in the end, I decided to eat this one, cocomero a cubetti. Watermelon. Look how many tourists here. Verona is very tourist place. So come here for your holidays. Come here to enjoy Verona summer.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want.
So we went to Osteria La Vecchia Fontanina and we eat very well, a lot of stuff as you can see here, and we spent 60 euro, sorry, in two. So now we are going in the bread and breakfast. Thank you really much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!